Hi guys, and welcome to DIY with Nadia. Today I have two fox cotton DIYs for you. So the first one is going to be a wreath, and the second one is going to be decorative fox balls that you could put on your coffee table or somewhere else to decorate. Now these two items I found on two different websites, and they total in $105. It cost me $6 to make both of these DIYs. How awesome is that? And I think I did a pretty good job in replicating the originals. Now, if you stick around to the end, I have a little bit of a DIY blooper for you. I was going to participate in this challenge last month, but ended up backing out because I had a complete fail. If you want to see my fail, I will show you why and what happened at the end of this video. Without further ado, let's get started.
All the supplies we're going to be using today are from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to start with this foam wreath and then a pack of potpourri and also cotton balls. For both of these projects, I did use 2 packs of cotton balls. Now I'm simply hot gluing the cotton balls to the front, the sides, and the inside of my foam wreath.
Okay, you guys, now that everything is covered, look how gorgeous this is. If I was selling this or this was going on a door with a glass, I would definitely put a white ribbon to cover the green, but it really, look at this. All the sides, I made sure there was no green. It looks absolutely beautiful. Now for this part, I'm going to be taking all of these that kind of look like these curly cues kind of, and I'm going to be breaking them apart because all you really need is this tip to show. These little, and then I will be just putting them on and just breaking them because I want to make sure that I have enough. That's why I'm doing that. And I'm just throwing some hot glue right on the edge, and it's going in wherever I feel like it needs it. If there's any areas that will kind of like peek through like this, you can either put a little bit more cotton in or whatever you like. See, I decided to stretch this open, and I have a little half a puff of cotton, and I'm just going to insert it right there. And then I will be going on all of these. I'm going to save for later projects, all these other looking ones. But this is, I think this is going to be absolutely stunning. All right, look how perfect this is to work as a cotton bulb. So pretty, so cute. Okay, you guys, what do you think? So I put a little ribbon right here just to know where I was going to put the original ribbon. And I just noticed that one of my cottons is kind of loose. So I'm gonna, okay. And so I'm going to take this off in a second. But before I do that, I decided to use this burlap ribbon, and it does have the wire in it. Let me just take it off the spool because I've used it before. And the bow they have here is pretty simple. So I'm just going to do that simple bow that they have there. And I think that's about right. Theirs is kind of flat. I actually really don't like the bow they had, but all right, what can I say? Okay. Okay, tail and this, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to hot glue these guys together, like really lightly. Just really just to bring them together. Then grab another piece. If you're wondering where I got this pink little thumb, this is at the Dollar Tree and they come 3 for $1. There's 3 in the little pack. And I have these on my table at all times. I absolutely love them. Here's a little mistake I made, you guys. I shouldn't have put the hot glue right there because it kind of shows through. You could see the little shadow, but that's all right. Okay, let's get the bow a little bit puffed out. I think this side got a little bit longer, but that's okay. So if you have where you feel like one side is a little longer than the other one, what I do is in the back, just bring it together and do a little kind of like a wave. You don't have to hot glue it in place or anything like that. All right, so like that, and the way they have them are like this, coming from the inside out. I made this just a tiny bit too short, but that's all right. That's all right. And then here, where I have my little blue ribbon, that's where I'm going to come in with my little, with the rest, I guess, with the rest of the ribbon. And I really don't want it too long, so I'm going to cut it off. And then I'm just going to hot glue the bow in place. And by the way, for this whole wreath, I actually bought a second pack of these because I thought I needed a lot more. And you know what? Look at this. This is still left over. Look at all of this. It's still left over. So you really do not need much. And this is going to be enough for this project and for the next one. So this is absolutely awesome. You just need one pack for sure for both of these projects.
This video is in collaboration of a challenge that is hosted by my lovely friend Yami from the Latina Next Door, and she hosts a challenge that's called Look for Less. She hosts it every single month with a different co-host. If you are new to her and have not seen her videos, please check her out. Her channel is going to be in the description box down below. The co-host for this month is Haley from The Farmer and the Southern Belle, and this channel is so cute and filled with the life on the farm. Haley has a lot of day in the life videos. She has DIYs, lots of hauls, so check her out.
Okay, so this next project is going to be kind of similar to the first one. We're still going to need our cotton, and in this bowl I have a pack and a half of these guys, so we'll see how far these will go. But for these two projects, I think you're not going to need more than 2 of these packs. And I really just packed it in the previous project. I really just packed that cotton in So I wasn't sparing or anything like that. And then I'm going to also use these little balls that I got at Christmas from the Dollar Tree. So I'm very excited that I saved them because now this DIY is going to be absolutely gorgeous. So the concept is going to be the same. I'm going to grab my little balls, grab cotton, and just start hot gluing them to the balls. Doesn't this look like a cute little snowball? Well, we're about to make it into a little cotton ball. So we are going to take this, and once again, I'm going for my little stash over here, and I'm grabbing things that are kind of brown, and I'm basically, if it's a big piece, either breaking it or cutting it, because don't forget, you know, like if I have a piece like this that's sticking out, I definitely want to do it where the little part that's sticking out is going to be up, so it kind of shows through. And so now I'm just going to go and do this throughout the little cotton ball in between right there. This is just so cute. I'm loving this project so much. And now I'm thinking, what else can I do in my home to kind of match this, because I just love this white clean aesthetic. I know it's summer. I'm still gonna have color, but I think like for the month of August maybe, this would be so perfect. So perfect and beautiful. Now for the blooper, you guys. So I was going to make this round vase, and I wanted to use everything from the Dollar Tree. So I took these little decorative baby shower foam balls, and I thought I would spray paint them gold. That didn't work out. I'll show you why in a sec. And then I'm like, okay, well, if that didn't work out, let's just paint them. Nope. This is the result, you guys. These shriveled up little things are the result of what happened. And instead of having nice round, you know, little balls I can put on the vase, they shriveled up no matter what I used. I even tried gold nail polish. I'm like, it's not paint per se, but maybe nail polish would work. Nope, nail polish did not work. So this is the result of that. So these guys, not worth painting, you guys. So there's a warning for you crafters if you wanted to do something with those. But if you need nice silver sparkly color, that's fine. I bet you it'll be okay with Decor mesh. But yeah, I decided just to give it up and decided to do something different this month. I hope you enjoyed these two DIYs. Which one was your favorite? How did you think I did on the challenge? With that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye, guys.